In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your MetaMask wallet to LightChain.ai. This will not only allow you to explore the platform's features, but also engage with the AI tools and earning functionalities they offer. Let's get started right away. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser, whichever one you prefer. Make sure it's a trusted one to ensure your security as you navigate online. Once you've got that open, head over to the official LightChain website by typing in https://lightchain.ai in the address bar. It's crucial to use the official site only, as visiting an unofficial website could risk your digital assets. Now that you're on the LightChain homepage, you'll need to establish a connection with your wallet to fully utilize the platform's offerings. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see a button labeled Connect Wallet. Go ahead and click on that button. This will initiate a process where the website asks you to select a wallet provider compatible with their services. You'll see a pop-up window appear, presenting you with a selection of wallet options. For today's demonstration, we'll be using MetaMask, so simply click on MetaMask from the list of options. Following this, if you already have MetaMask installed and set up on your browser, it will automatically pop open. If for some reason it doesn't, make sure your MetaMask extension is correctly installed and active. Once MetaMask is open, you should see a prompt to choose the account you would like to use in connection with LightChain. If you manage multiple accounts, make sure to pick the right one to avoid any complications later on. After selecting the appropriate account, click the Next button. This step is crucial as it allows MetaMask to prepare for the connection process. Now, at this point, MetaMask will request your permission to connect with LightChain. This is a standard security measure designed to protect your wallet and ensure you have full control over which applications access it. Go ahead and click Connect to authorize this link. Once you've done that, you might need to give it a moment for the decentralized application or dApp to load entirely. And there you have it. You're now connected to LightChain. This connection opens up a whole new world of possibilities for you. You can now browse through the platform and check out their impressive range of AI tools. Whether it's the dashboard offerings or ways to earn on the platform, you have it all at your fingertips. If you're exploring or using LightChain, remember to keep your MetaMask wallet secure and only disconnect from trusted places when necessary. I hope this guide has helped you successfully link your MetaMask wallet to LightChain. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your exploration on LightChain.ai.